Despite not being a Gary V fan, I did hear him say something once that I absolutely think he's 100% right on. And if somebody takes the time to comment on a video, one of your videos, one of my videos, the least we can do is take the time to answer back. He also went on to say, if you're going to take time to publish the video and people are responding, take the time to respond back. And I agree with that. I mean, even it doesn't matter what platform I'm on. If somebody comments, I like to take the time to at least acknowledge it. Yeah, it is an algorithm thing from what I understand. You see the engagement, but I like to engage with people. So I want to show you a little trick that I do all the time to make sure I'm not missing a comment. Now, there's different places you can find the comments from. You probably know all this. You may get emails, you'll see notifications here. But if I go back over to the studio, a lot of times if you have new ones, they'll show up here. But you can go all the way over here on the left and you see comments. Okay, so we're in the actual comments section. And as you can tell right here, I've responded to all of these. And sometimes you actually get a long dialogue going back and forth. And I love that. But here's the trick. You can go to filter and you can search contains questions response status. I haven't responded to. Now, if you click here and you hit apply, you're going to see some on my channel. And these are very, very old. And there's a reason I actually did respond to these, but this is when I changed my account to a brand account. Believe it or not, I've actually responded to all of these. So if you haven't, though, you're going to see a question or something here you haven't responded to. But there's even another trick, maybe a trick and a trick that I just discovered recently. Go back here to response status and choose responses with new replies and check this out. And what I noticed a few times is that people had responded and it maybe had gone back like days or weeks and I had not even followed up with them because sometimes I don't get those notifications. So it allows me to go back in and either give a thumbs up or heart something. And the advantage to hearting, only the creator, only me here can give a heart to that. Anybody can thumbs up something. So like here's one right here. I'll give this one a thumbs up. And this is just yet another way to stay engaged. Now, how you respond, obviously that's up to you. It's your channel. But sometimes I'll just say something as simple as, thanks for watching, or, I really appreciate it, or whatever. Or sometimes they'll ask something that I can give a longer thought out question to. Sometimes I've even linked up other videos that I've done just because that may help them further answer the question or the thought that they had. So however you do it, just make sure if you're taking the time to create for YouTube, you're taking the time to at least answer people who leave comments. And it's really that easy.